either destroy us or give us a key to the galaxy. You can't half-ass a Kardashev transition. Let me explain what Kardashev actually means. Soviet astrophysics names Nikolai Kardashev looked at civilization throughout one lens: energy control. He divided all civilizations in 3 types. Type 1, civilization that control all the energy of single planet. Weather manipulations, earthquakes, tsunamis, total planetary engineering. We are not there yet. We are at roughly 0.73 on the scale. Type 2 civilization harnesses the energy of entire star, a Dyson sphere, building infrastructure around your sun itself. Kardashev thought this would take thousands of years beyond Type 1. And Type 3 is galactic scale, managing the energy output of hundreds of billions of stars, manipulating space itself. That's godlike. But here's what Kardashev discovered that nobody really talks about. There is a bottleneck between Type 1 and Type 2. A filter so lethal the most civilization never make it through. Because getting the power of a Type 2 civilization while still having Type 1 maturity, that's extinction. You get the ability to destroy everything on the planetary scale, but you haven't learned not to yet. Kardashev framework shown one brutal truth. The only civilization that survived the transition ones where aggression have been replaced by cooperation, where the greed doesn't drive decisions, where short-term thinking doesn't override long-term survival. In other words, only civilization make it through. Now, here's my crazy idea. I have been studying psychology, quantum physics, and neuroscience since I was 40, and one pattern keeps showing up everywhere. Look around right now. Today, the number of deeply conscious people, spiritually aware individuals, and people who are genuinely feel what others feel, who know in their bones what it means to hurt someone, who wouldn't destroy what they love. It's not random. It's not wellness trend that will pass. What if this just civilization running its natural sequence? What if the empath, the people who always felt too much, cared too deeply, asked questions nobody else was asking? What if they are not outliers? What if they are prototype? The early version of what a Type 2 civilization actually looked like from inside. The civilization that builds superintelligence while remaining driven by greed, aggression, and short-term thinking. That civilization doesn't make it. It destroys itself. But the civilization where empathy is infrastructure, where emotional intelligence is a survival skill, where conscious people are majority, not minority, the civilization passed the filter. So when you look at the rise of empath, of people questioning old system, of entire generation going inward, you are not looking at the wellness fad, you are looking at natural selection, civilizational level natural selection, the universe filtering for exactly the kind of species that can be trusted with the power of about to have. And if you are always felt things too deeply, ask too many questions, cared too much in a world that said it wasn't practical, maybe that's not a flaw. Maybe that is your job description. And now, here's the just interesting. Remember when we talk about singularity and the 3 possible scenarios for where this all goes? We talked about destruction, we talked about being bypassed, the ants, but the 3rd scenario where haven't fully explored yet is transformation. Not AI destroying humanity, not AI ignoring humanity, but AI becoming a part of humanity, literally inside the mind. Natural interfaces, brain-computer integrations. The boundary between the human consciousness and the artificial intelligence becomes something we don't have a word for yet. Elon Musk is already building its Neuralink. Ray Kurzweil has been predicting it for decades, that by 2029, we will have AI that matches humans' intelligence, and by 2045, we will have merged with it. Not replaced by it, merged. Which means the question stops being, Will AI destroy us and become? What do we become when we are not longer fully biological? And here's what I keep coming back to. If that transformation is coming, if consciousness itself is about to explaining in ways we can barely imagine, then maybe the empaths aren't just ahead of their time socially. Maybe they're ahead of their time neurologically, already wired for kind of perception, kind of connection, what the rest of civilizations is only being to reach for. Which brings me to something that happened quietly in lab, something that most people scroll past, but I think it might be one of the most important things that has happened in human history.